Hello everyone. I am going to show you guys how to achieve a very healthy wig, like how to take care of your wig, how to get it healthy, how to make it look, once when you shake your head, your wigs are bouncing, no dry ends and all that. What I do is I use this conditioner from Trace Amen. So I wet the hair, I wet the wig, then I apply the conditioner on it. So here is the hair. I wet it and I've applied the conditioner inside the hair. So what we're gonna do next to this, once you wet your hair, you make sure you apply a lot of conditioner to moist, like you can feel that the softness of the conditioner on your wig, right? Then you put it in a bag, okay, and then you tie it up and you put it in the microwave. You put it in the microwave for like 10 minutes, okay? I'll show you guys. I put it in the microwave. I'll show you guys how I put it in the microwave. In the microwave, put it inside and then close your microwave. I finish cooking the hair in the microwave. So what I'm gonna do next is to wash the hair. I'm not gonna wash it with shampoo. I'm just gonna rinse the hair, rinse the conditioner off the hair, okay? And then you're gonna see how beautiful your hair is gonna be. So once first you wet your hair, don't get it too wet that a lot of water, just wet. And then second thing you do, you apply the conditioner. But like I use Tresemme conditioner, you can use any kind of conditioner that you want, and you can do this on any hair that is human hair. Don't go and do this on a synthetic hair because your hair is gonna shrink. So you do this on human hair. When I say any human hair, meaning human hair that you colored, blonde, and any color of human hair. This process can be done to get your hair back to life, to get it nice and shiny and beautiful. You can do this. Apply conditioner and put the hair 10 to 15 minutes in the microwave and microwave the hair. So you steam the hair. Process. This is the hair. I've taken out the hair. So I'm rinsing the hair out. I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm brushing the hair now. So I'm using this brush, okay? It's the Tangle brush. So you can use a white tooth comb. You can use any comb to brush the hair. So I use hot water. Look at how the hair is just so nice and silky. Okay. Okay, the process you do. See, so the hair is the water is clean. Once I'm taking the water off the wig, it's really clean. So that's how you know that your hair, there's no product on the hair. Okay, that's it. Look at how my hair is nice and shiny. You leave the hair to dry naturally, no heat on it, no blow drying and all that. Just leave it to dry naturally, and then you can style your hair and make it any style that you want. So I'm gonna leave it to dry naturally. See how the hair is just nice, smooth, lovely. Yeah, microwave your hair. I didn't say a synthetic hair. If you microwave synthetic hair, your hair will be finished. microwave human hair. Okay, so catch up with you guys. See you guys soon. Thank you.